So I'm going to keep this presentation light and short. I don't want to bore you too much with a lot of data and stuff, and I know it's a post-lunch presentation. So stay with me as long as you can, otherwise I'm always around to catch up with all of you. My name is Rajiv. I head technology partnerships and startup program at Freshworks, and I also head the India and SARC channels for Freshworks. Very happy to be talking to all of you, and first of all, I'm so happy to be here in a physical event after 2 years. So first, thanks a lot for all of you for making it happen. So let me just start with the core topic of my presentation. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about digital transformation in retail and what it means to all of us, what we should be thinking about, and how we are thinking about it from a Freshworks standpoint to help you meet your goals and also our goals in that respect. So who are we? I'm not sure all of you know Freshworks. So Freshworks is a SaaS company. We started in Chennai, and we are a global company today. And we operate in the customer engagement and employee engagement space. And our vision is very simple. We want to help you delight your customers. So thereby, we have you as our customers for life. So at a glance, we started off 10 years back out of Pallikaranai, and today we are a global company with over 4,300 plus employees. We IPO'd in NASDAQ last month. We are doing over $300 million in recurring revenue, and we have a very healthy growth rate of about 49% year on year. We grew from almost nothing to 4,300 plus employees, and our employees are present almost across 13 plus countries and spread across the world right now because of the pandemic. We are featured within the top 10 for Forbes cloud computing companies today. Right? That's a very big achievement for a company that is just 10 years young. And we have over 52,000 plus customers globally across verticals, across 120 plus countries. And why do we win? What makes us special? We have 5 core parameters that really makes us special. One, we are a very modern solution. What we mean by modern is we help customers meet their needs, right? So today businesses are very dynamic. Every business is adopting multiple strategies to grow very quickly. Our solutions are modern enough to meet all your business needs. Number 2, we are fast and intuitive. Though we are enterprise class, we don't need the huge onboarding processes, and we don't take a lot of time for you to get on board. We like providing software that can be started off right away with, and a lot of end user focused products, right? So we build products for the front line. We don't build products only for the management. So our adoption rate for our products is very high. Third is unified. We have products from the first touch point of a customer with a business to the last touch point of a customer with a business. But all this data is all unified and is presented to the customers so that customers can take realistic actions with that data. Fourth, we are enterprise grade. We serve customers with 1 or 2 users to customers with over 1,000 plus agents across the world. And we serve customers across all verticals, right from banking, finance, healthcare, e-commerce to everything under the sun. Then we are very affordable. One of our core tenets is we want to be a value for money solution, and we ensure that we provide world-class solutions without burning a hole in your pocket. So this is our architecture. So primarily when I said we have solutions from the first touch point of a customer with a business to the last touch point of a customer with a business, this is what I meant. We have omni-channel help desk. We have customer support that is very highly focused on ensuring collaboration and automation. We have messaging, so you can design new age customer experiences with the likes of WhatsApp, WeChat, Line, or Facebook Messenger, or any other messaging platforms across the world. We have a full-fledged contact center that helps you unify all customer communications in one place as well. So that is what we called as our omni-channel customer support solution. We also have a very strong, deeply integrated sales and marketing solution. You can start from sending out marketing campaigns, tracking what happens to each of your pages on your website, understanding each customer touch point with your business in a timeline, and then managing them as leads, contacts, and pipeline in your business, and even prioritizing those business to close who is the right one for you very quickly. So we have all those things in an integrated solution that comes under our sales and marketing suite. We also have solutions for your IT teams and also for recruitment and HR management. So we are trusted by over 52,000 plus customers globally and across verticals and across domains. So now coming to my core topic. So today, what do you think is the biggest challenge that retail industry is facing? So we can all say that omni-channel is something as a solution that is coming through, but from a challenge perspective, we believe there are three core parameters that are impacting retail industry. One is customer wants us everywhere. So customers are now everywhere and they want instantly to communicate with businesses. They want to transact in one place and they've all moved omni-channel. So 61% of the customers, this is Forbes data where they are saying that customers start a transaction in one medium, finish it in another medium. So this we can see even in our stores today. People browse our products already, they come into store to pick up or come to our store, look at products, go and buy it in another channel, or even when they are in our store, they buy through their mobile apps. There are so many ways in which this buying behavior has changed. And worst thing is, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, my mom has started shopping in over WhatsApp, right? So vegetables and everything she's buying through WhatsApp. And only one thing, I'm taking the liberty to talk in Tamil a little bit, hoping that all of you might understand. தேங்காவை தட்டி பார்த்து மட்டும் தான் வாங்கலாம் ஆன்லைனில், மற்றபடி everything has moved online today. The second thing is personalization. Every customer wants to be personalized and want to be addressed according to their needs. If personalization is not done, we are losing a lot of customers today for lack of personalization. So Microsoft report states that we get one chance at a customer. With one bad experience, customers are switching to other brands or your competitors because of lack of good experiences. The third thing is speed. Customers want transactions and also support at the very, very quickly. They don't want to wait, and waiting leads to bad experiences, and thereby you have to unify all your communications, your employee communications and your customer communications in one place so that you are able to meet these customers' needs. So the other big trend that we are seeing is conversational commerce is here. People want to talk to people and then buy from people. The same thing they are extending to businesses. People want to talk to businesses and buy from businesses. Third thing is the buyer journey has become very complicated. So if you see, a few years back, the transaction would be, okay, I like a product, I walk into the store, I buy it and walk away. Today, there are so many channels in which businesses are trying to attract the same customer, and there is so much competition. The barrier for entry to sell today is extremely low. Anybody can open a Shopify store within a few minutes. Anybody can make products in their backyard and start selling online. And the digitally native ones are getting more eyeballs than the traditional businesses because they are savvy in digital marketing. So with that trend continuing, we will soon start seeing that the established brands that are purely offline might be at risk. So we need to ensure that we are available wherever customers are and we take a great share of their eyeballs right now. And we need to invest in all the channels that the customers are in today. So this is where we believe that Freshworks can help you do that. All your customer journeys can be simplified, and wherever your customers are, all the channels can be integrated into a single solution. This is where our anywhere engagement comes into picture. Second, collaborative engagement. Your customers and your team should be talking to each other, and within your teams as well, your finance team, your legal team, your marketing team, your sales team, your support team, everybody should be talking together to solve customer problems. So this is customer-centric design at its best, and we have to have solutions that will help you solve customers' problems with a single solution. Third is contextual engagement. If you are selling, you are an e-commerce company or you are a hybrid company selling offline and online, a customer comes into your website and asks for a support query. Today, you need to know who that customer is, what has he bought from you, has he paid for it or not, why is he here for, is it a problem that is only for this customer or other customers, what should I do next? All these steps should be taken, and all these things can be done with a single solution. That is contextual engagement, that is what we help provide. And the last one is predictive. So you need to know what your customers are going to be asking you about, right? If you are a sales guy, you need to know which of the deals that are going to be closed, which one should you prioritize. So we use a lot of AI and ML models that we run on top of our customer base so that we can help you become predictive. So given this, we believe that this is the dawn of new commerce. We moved from commerce to e-commerce, and from e-commerce we are moving to new commerce. And new commerce in our world has mainly three tenets. One is contactless retail, second is convenient e-commerce, and third is contextual commerce. So we help you go completely contactless very quickly. So we help you design intelligent journeys for your customers in the channels that they are in. You can sell your products, market your products in channels that your customers are in. In fact, even mobile phones, for example, right? So today, like how you book a home demo for your bikes, you can book a home demo for showing mobiles at your home step, right? Book appointments and stuff, which can be intelligent journeys depending on your business type. And third, even there in social channels, you can sell directly in those channels. Next one is we can help you drive convenience. We can help you right from purchase, identification, awareness to even transactions on a single platform. And third is going to be contextual. So here is what I'm saying. If your customer support agent is sitting in a single desk, he needs to know who that customer is, complete details about the customer, what he has bought from you, what has been your last 10, 15 interactions with your business, what is his order information, has he paid or not, if he wants a refund, can I initiate a refund from one place, everything that your business needs to drive in a single place. So this is how your business is getting ready for new commerce, and this is what we want to enable you for. So happy to talk to you more in detail about it. These are some of the processes where we can really make an impact from day one, other than marketing and sales as well. So happy to talk to all of you if you are interested, and thanks a lot for making this a wonderful experience. And thanks, Rai, for the opportunity.